Pigs make me sneeze.
Pigs make me sneeze.
Not really. Gerald! What do you want to do today?
I want
Yes? A what? A ball? A swim? A hat?
True!
Uh-oh.
Sniff.
Are you okay? Quite a big achoo.
I do not know. Chew! I cannot stop. Chew!
Uh-oh. Is it because pigs make me sneeze?
Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Chew!
What if you tried to sneeze more softly?
Sorry.
Uh-oh. Gerald really wants to apologize.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to hurt Piggy.
But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you.
That's very
Yeah,
sad.
Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever.
Oh. Piggy is scratching his head like, what are you talking about? But Gerald.
No, do not speak. It is too late.
I guess he definitely kept it quite small.
Chew. Goodbye.
Gerald?
Sniff.
Gerald is quite sad. Are you okay, Gerald?
No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat.
Uh-oh, that's
Pigs
not
make
good.
me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig.
Quite makes sense.
Yeah. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Wrong.
Gerald is really upset. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. Then what does he make sneeze? I think you have a cold.
A cold?
You are sick.
I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor.
Not the best way to pronounce their stick.
Piggy, great news. I have a cold.
Good for you. And the pigeon is right here having an ice pack on top,
Wait,
just
what?
like Piggy.
Oh yeah, Piggy is sick.
Yep. And that's the ending of the story.